In this video, we are going to talk completely about Talkpal, and this will be a really good review, so make sure you watch this video till the end. Now, Talkpal AI is an innovative language learning tool that utilizes GPT-powered technology to provide user with an interactive and personalized experience. Now, here's a very comprehensive review based on the video sources. Now, Talkpal is designed for individuals who have a very basic understanding of language and want to enhance their skill. It supports over 55 languages, allowing users to practice speaking, listening, reading, and writing through realistic conversation and immersive scenario. Right now, this platform offers a 14-day free trial, making it user very easy to explore its features before committing to a subscription. Right now, the next thing is that let's talk about the features. Now, here in the features, personalized learning, of course. Talkpal tailors session based on individual goals, learning phase, and proficiency level, ensuring a customized experience. Interactive scenarios, it can create 300 unique experiences, and the app includes advanced voice capabilities, allowing for real-time conversation. While the AI provides response and corrections, some users have noted that the feedback on specific errors can be limited. Now, what's about the user experience, right? Because it's still an AI. Many users have praised Talkpal for the intuitive interface and engaging conversation quality. This app allowed learners to practice at their own pace without the pressure of conversing with the strangers, which is particularly beneficial for those shy about speaking in their target language. However, some feedback indicates that while the AI understands and spoken input well, the depth of feedback on pronunciation and grammars could be improved. Right, and what's the limitation? So lack of structural courses, right? It doesn't have, Talkpal does not offers comprehensive structures, courses, or videos lessons, which may be essential for some learners. And daily usage limit, the free version restrict daily practice time to 10 minutes, which might not suffice for dedicated learners. The app feedbacks on pronunciation is considered basic. It recognizes it words are said but does not evaluate the correctness of pronunciation in detail. So overall, Trackpal is highly recommended for intermediate learners looking for an interactive way of practice language. Its strength lies in personalized learning and real-world conversation practice. However, beginners might find some structures tools beneficial, and those seeking detailed feedback on pronunciation may need to consider complementary resources. Right? I hope you found this complete review a good one, and if you did, hit us a like and give us a subscribe.